I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting.
Enjoy life with Marlene.
Along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hello Gems family, this is Life with Marlene, and we are here in St. Petersburg, Florida. We're driving to the destination to Vinoy Park so we can go for a sunrise walk. So come along with and make sure you hit that like.
Check out my outfit of the day.
So now I'm gonna walk around this corner over to Vinoy Park and continue my walk. Okay guys, I am over here by, you can see us right behind me is the pier, St. Petersburg. So, here for sunrise, going for my morning walk and meditation. I'm just enjoying myself. It's a really good time. If you have never been over to St. Petersburg and be by the downtown area and go for a scenic walk on the waterfront, you should. Look at how beautiful it is. It's a beautiful Friday morning and the view is beautiful. I got here about 7 a.m. and I did a lot of walking, so let me show you the view some more.
Show you how to have fun in the sun.